In this episode, I'm going to build the contact page. I will start by reusing an element I've already created on the homepage. So let's quickly head over there and use BeBuilder's export-import feature, a super handy way to copy whole sections, including global wraps. Once I import it into our contact page, I will move one of the icon boxes and tweak it to fit this layout. Now, I want this content to overlap with the next section. So, I will add a negative bottom margin to create that layered effect. Let's add the next section and go ahead with styling. When duplicating the icon boxes earlier, they carried over all styling, including x-axis in translation. Since I don't need that here, I will reset the translate x value to 0. Next, I will adjust the grid settings for mobile. Just a quick reminder that BeTheme gives us a ton of flexibility when it comes to layouts. While I'm here, I also want to show you how to customize the background of a section. I will change the background size, because I don't want the pattern to overlap with the text. I could just use the contain option, and honestly, that would work fine. But let me show you how to do it in a more custom way. I will type in 120% as the background size. That looks just right. And while I'm at it, let's reduce the top padding to bring everything a bit closer to the top. Now, it's time to add my contact form. For this part, I will pause the BeBuilder and head over to the WordPress dashboard. I will show you how to install a plugin that helps us handle forms and email submissions. BeTheme makes this really easy. Let's go to BeTheme, Plugins, and you will see a list of recommended, supported plugins. Find Contact Form 7, click Install, and boom, it's already activated. All I need to do is refresh the page so the new menu appears in the dashboard. Let's now go to the Contact Forms, and do a quick setup. Contact Form 7 has extensive documentation, so you can create your own custom forms easily. I've already prepared a simple example, which I will paste in here. It includes fields for name, phone number, email, subject, message, and a send a message button at the end. Now, let's go to the Mail tab to configure the message I will receive. I will just make sure to include the phone number in the message body. Unless you want to fully format the email with HTML, that's pretty much all you need for a basic setup. In the next tab, you can customize the confirmation messages users will see, like what shows up when the form is submitted successfully. Let's save the form, and now I will copy the shortcode so I can insert it onto the page. Back in BeBuilder, I will show you two methods to display the form. The first method uses the built-in contact form 7 element, which gives you lots of styling options. Just select the form name you created and style it however you like. The second method is using the shortcode inside the plain text element. For that to work, make sure to enable the shortcode parser in the options. After saving and refreshing the page, you will see both versions of the form. I will now delete the one I've added via the shortcode, since I'm happy with the styled version. The only thing I will change is removing the margin that was hiding part of the form. And I will add some border radius to the input fields to round them off. Now, I will just add a few missing elements to style everything nicely. And just like that, our contact page is complete.